द एनिमी। और ये हमने कहाँ तक करा था, यहाँ तक करा था कि जब जो अमेरिकन बॉय जिसको जो गोली लगी थी, जिसका ट्रीटमेंट डॉक्टर सदाव ने करा था, तो वो उनको थैंक यू कहना चाह रहा था और उसको थैंक्स कहते हैं कि तुमने मेरी लाइफ को सेव करा। लेकिन सदाव क्या कहते हैं, डोंट थैंक मी टू अर्ली, सदाव सेड कोल्डली। ही वॉज फ्लिकर terror again he saw the flicker terror again in the eyes of the boy, terror as unmistakable as an animal's. The scar of his neck were crimson for a moment. Those scars, what were they? Sadav did not answer. अब वहाँ पर जो है ना, जैसे उसने ये कहा कि अभी इतनी जल्दी मुझे थैंक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, और बड़े कोल्डली यानी बहुत ही ठंडे मन से जो है उसको आंसर दिया। और वो लड़का जो है उसकी आंखों में फिर से टेरर आ जाता है कि ये सोच के कि अब मैं जैसे ठीक हो जाऊँगा तो ये लोग जो है मुझे फिर से नेवी के या आर्मी के हवाले कर देंगे, जहाँ से वो बहुत ज़्यादा टॉर्चर होकर आया था। In the afternoon, the second thing happened. Anna, working hard on the unaccustomed labor, saw a messenger come to the door in an official uniform. Her hands went weak, and she could not draw her breath. The servant must have told already. She ran to Sadav, gasping, unable to utter a word. But by then the messenger had simply followed her through the garden, and there he stood. She pointed at him helplessly. अचानक से क्या होता है, दोपहर के टाइम पे सदाव को अपने स्टडी रूम में अपने बुक्स पढ़ रहे थे, लेकिन ये किचन में कुछ काम कर रही थी। और अचानक से एक जो ऑफिशियल कपड़ों में जो जैसे कि अर्दनी टाइप के लोग जो होते हैं, वैसा ही कोई इंसान पुलिस के कपड़ों में वो उनके दरवाजे पे आता है। अब वो उनको देख के डर जाती है, वो सोचती है कि शायद जो है हमारे जो सर्वेंट है इन लोगों ने जो है कहीं चोरी करी होगी और इसी वजह से ये लोग जो है उनको पूछने के लिए आए। वो इतनी डर गई, भागी सदाव के पास जाती है और बड़ी हेल्पलेसली उसकी तरफ एक शब्द भी मुँह से नहीं निकाल पाती है उनकी डर के मारे। और फिर वो उसकी तरफ इशारा करती है, जो कि उसके साथ में पीछे गार्डन के थ्रू आ गया था। Sadav looked up from the book. He was in his office, the other partition of which was thrown open to the garden for the southern sunshine. What is it? He asked the messenger, and then he rose, seeing the man's uniform. You are to come to the palace, the man said. The old general is in pain again. वो कहने लगे, आप वो मैसेंजर को देख के पूछा क्या है, तो उसने बोला कि भाई आपको जो है बहुत जनरल मतलब जो ऑफिशियल रैंक होती है आर्मी वालों की, कि भाई वो जो ओल्ड जनरल ऑफिसर है वो जो है बहुत पेन में है, तकलीफ में है, इसने आपको तुरंत पैलेस में बुलाया है। Oh, Mahana break. Is it that all? All the messenger explained. Is it not enough? वो कहती है अच्छा ये था, बस ये बात थी। लेकिन वो कहता कि बस क्या मतलब, और कुछ चाहिए था आपको सुनने के लिए? Indeed it is, she replied. I am very sorry. When Sadav came to say goodbye, she was in the kitchen but doing nothing. The children were asleep and she sat merely resting for a moment, more exhausted from her flight than from her work. वो तब उसको बाय करने के लिए आता है किचन में, मगर कुछ काम नहीं कर रही थी, तो अपनी डर के मारे एग्जॉस्ट हो गई थी और वो बैठ जाती है थोड़ी देर आराम करने के लिए। काम से नहीं थकी थी, लेकिन वो जो डर था उसके दिल में, वो डर जो है भले चला गया था, लेकिन वो बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गई थी और बहुत ही ज़्यादा उससे थक गई थी। I thought they had come to arrest you, she said. He gazed down into the anxious eyes. I must get rid of this man for your sake, he said in distress. Somehow I must get rid of him. वो कहने लगी मुझे तो लगा कि तुमको अरेस्ट करने के लिए आए, कुछ भी हो इस आदमी से तो हमको छुटकारा पाना ही है। Of course the general said weakly, I understand fully, but this is because I once took a degree in Princeton, so few Japanese have. I care nothing for man, excellence, Sadav said, but having operated on him with such success, yes, said the general said, it's only made me feel you more indispensable to me. Evidently you can save anyone. You are so skilled. You say you think I can understand Sadao said. No, I trust the general replied. The best one have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful. वो उससे उन लोगों से बातचीत कर रहा था, जनरल से बातचीत कर रहा था, उसको कह रहा था तुमको कुछ नहीं हो सकता, तुम अगर कुछ गलत भी कर दोगे तो तुमको अगर मौत की भी सजा देंगे तभी मैं तुमको बचा लूँगा। और वो बोलता है तुम्हें मेरी कहानी सुननी है, क्योंकि वो रिटायर्ड जनरल था, उसको ऐसा लगता था कि मैं सबको अपनी जो बड़ी बड़ी गाथाएँ हैं वो सबको सुनाऊँ। Even if I died, I do not care for this point of view, he sighed. It seems a pity that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness with the American sentimentality. Then you could turn your prisoners over to execute, and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. The general laughed. He had an unusual sense of humor. As a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements, he said. Sadao smiled. I am not quite sure, he said, but for your sake I would be willing to try, excellence. Excellence का मतलब होता है your highness, मेरे मालिक, और आदर से जैसे बड़े लोगों को जो वर्ड्स बोलते हैं उसको excellence कहते हैं। और वहाँ वो उससे बातचीत कर रहा है, उसको कह रहा है कि नहीं नहीं तुम किसी को मार नहीं सकते हो, तुम जीवन दान देने वाले इंसान हो। तो बोलने लगे अगर मैं मर भी गया तो फिर मैं तुमको दोषी नहीं ठहराऊंगा। वो कहने लगा कि नहीं मैं ऐसा होने नहीं दूंगा। I am quite sure, he said, but for your sake I would be willing to do. The general shook his hand. He had rather not to test case. He said he felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed with the cares of his life as an official in times such as these, when repeated victory brought great responsibilities all over the South Pacific. It is very unfortunate that this man should not wash up on your doorstep, he said irritably. I feel it so myself, sir, Sadao said gently. It would be best if you could be quietly killed, the general said, not by you, but by somebody who does not know him. I have my own private assassins. वो कहने लगा अगर उसको तुम्हारे द्वारा मार के नहीं बल्कि मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे मर्डरर्स भी हैं जो मार सकते हैं। Suppose I send two of them to your house tonight, or better any night. You need know nothing but about it. It is not now wrong. What would be more natural than that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open the garden while he sleeps? Certainly it would be very natural, Sadao agreed. In fact, it is so left open every night. Good, the general said, yawning. They are very capable assassins. They make no noise and they know the trick of inward bleeding. If you like, I can even have them remove the body. Sadao considered that perhaps would be best, Excellency. Agreed, thinking of Hana. वो उसको कहने लगा तुम कहोगे तो मैं जो अपने कुछ बंदे भेजकर उसको मर्डर भी करा दूंगा, और तुम कहोगे तो बॉडी भी वहाँ से गायब करा दूंगा। तो बोले हाँ ये ठीक रहेगा, क्योंकि उसकी वाइफ आना जो है बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई और बहुत घबराई हुई थी। He left the general's presence then and went home, thinking over the plan. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hand. He would tell Hana nothing, since she would be timid at the idea of assassins in the house, and yet certainly such persons were essential in an absolute state such as Japan was. How else could the ruler deal with those who oppose them? वो कहने लगा यही सही रहेगा, वरना जो हमारी जो आर्मी है हम उसके ऑपोज पे जा रहे हैं, उसके खिलाफत पे जा रहे हैं, तो पता नहीं वो हमसे क्या शुरू करेगी। He refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. But as he opened the door, to his surprise, he found the young man out of bed and preparing to go into the garden. What is this? He exclaimed. Who gave you permission to leave your room? I am not used to waiting for permission, Tom said gaily. Gosh, I feel better, good again, but will the muscles on this side always feel stiff? जैसे वो अमेरिकन massage may do it, he said. If exercise do not. It won't bother me, sir, the young man said. His young face was gaunt under the stubby blonde beard. Say, doctor, I have got something I want to say to you. If I hadn't met a chap like you, well, I wouldn't be alive today. I know that, Sadao wrote, but he could not speak. Sure, I know that Tom went on bombing, his big thin hands gripping a chair were white at the knuckles. I guess if all the Japs were like you, they wouldn't have been a war. वो कहने लगा मैं तो बहुत हैरान हूँ कि एक जापानीज से मिलके जो इतना अच्छा है, जो इतना सच्चा डॉक्टर है और कितना अच्छा होता है, सारे जापानीज तुम्हारी तरह होते तो ये वॉर होती ही नहीं. Perhaps Sadao said with difficulty, and now I think you had better to go back to bed. He helped the boy back into the bed and then go. Good night, he said. Sadao slept badly that night. Time and time again he woke, thinking he heard the rustle of footsteps, the sound of twin broken on a stone display in the garden, a noise such as man might have who carried a burden. वो पूरी रात सो नहीं पाया, बहुत डिस्टर्ब रहे क्योंकि उसको बार बार ऐसा लग रहा था कि गार्डन के साइड से कोई आ तो नहीं रहा, कहीं कोई उसको उठा के तो नहीं लेके जा रहा, कहीं कोई किसी ने उसका मर्डर तो नहीं कर दिया. मतलब ये सब चीज़ें वो बोल तो आ रही थी जनरल को, लेकिन उनका मन जो है फिर भी बहुत व्याकुल था क्योंकि वो किसी का जीवन नहीं लेना चाहते थे. The next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room. If the Americans were gone, he then would simply tell Anna that so the general has directed. But when he opened the door, he saw at once that there was on the pillow was the shaggy blonde head. He could hear the peaceful breathing of sleep, and he closed the door again quietly. He is asleep, he told Anna. He is almost well to sleep like that. What shall we do with him? Anna whispered her old refrain. पर दूसरे दिन सुबह उठते ही वो दौड़ के उसके कमरे में जाता है और देखता है वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से साउंडलेस स्लीप ले रहा है. तो वो आना बोलता है वो तो सो रहा है अच्छी तरह से, अब वो ठीक हो रहा है, इसलिए उसको अच्छे से नींद आ रही है. लेकिन आना का वही पुराना रेगुलर कब जाएगा, ये क्या करें, इसका क्या करना है. Sadao shook his head. I must decide in a day or two, he promised. But certainly he thought the second night must be the night. There rose a wind at night and he listened to the sound of the bending bows and whistling partition. Hannah woke too, out to be not to go and close the sick man's partition. She said, no, Sadao said, he is able now to do it for himself. But the next morning the American was still there. Then the third night, of course, must be the night. The wind changed to quiet rain and the garden sound dripping in and what was that? Hannah cried. The baby woke at her voice and began to wail. I must go and see. वो उसको बार बार जाके देख के आता था, लेकिन दूसरी नाइट पे और तीसरी नाइट पे वो ऐसे ही आराम से सो रहा था. आना बोली क्या है, तुम क्यों बार बार इधर आ जाते हो. तो इतने में उसका बच्चा होता है तो चली जाती. But he held her and could not let her move. Sadao, she cried, what is the matter with you? Don't go, he muttered, don't go. His terror infected her and she stood breathless, waiting. There was only silence. Together they crept back into the bed, the baby between them. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. He was very gay and had already washed and was now on his feet. He had asked for the razor yesterday and had shaved himself, and today there was a faint joyously. Sadao drew his kimono around his weary body. Could not. He decided suddenly to go through another life. It was not that he cared for the young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. You are well, Sadao agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. It is so near the coast that it had not been worth 45. Nobody lives on it because in storm it is submerged. But this is not the season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. They pass quite near the island because the water is many fathoms deep there. वो उसको देखता है, बोले देखो तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हो गए हो और मैं तुमको इतना ठीक हो गया कि तुम जो एक बोट ले लो और बोट से जो नियर बाय एक आइलैंड है वहाँ पर कोई नहीं रहता, वहाँ बिल्कुल नहीं रहते क्योंकि रेनी सीजन में वो जो है ना पूरा समर्ज हो जाता है, यानी समुद्र में से ना वो आइलैंड पूरा डूब जाता है। लेकिन अभी क्योंकि रेनी सीजन नहीं है, वो सीजन नहीं है, तो तुम आराम से उधर रह सकते हो और जैसे ही तुमको कोरियर वहाँ से बाईपास होंगे तो तुम उनके साथ में अपने देश को निकल सकते हो। The young man stared at him slowly, comprehended. Do I have to? He asked. I think so, Sadao said gently. You understand, it is not hidden that you are here. The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. Okay, he said simply. Sadao did not see him again until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat down to the shore and in it he put food and water and he had bought secretly during the day, as well as 2 quails he had bought at the prawn shop. The boat he tied to a post in the water, for the tide was high. There was no moon and he worked without flashlight. फिर वो रात में जो है वो बोट को तैयार करता है, बोट में खाने पीने का सब नेसेसरी सामान कोई सब रखता है और उसको बोलता है तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ। When he came to the house, he entered as though he were just back for his work, and so Hana knew nothing. Yumi was here today, she said as she served his supper. Though she was so modern, still she did not eat with him. Yumi cried over the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so. The servant will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. He went into the guest room that night before he went to the bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature, the state of the wound and his heart and pulses. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of excitement. The young man's pale lips were pressed together and his eyes burned. Only the scar on his legs was red. Next, we will small what we call little amount of reading material is left. We will do it afterwards. बंद कर दी।